Oh hey guys, welcome to the lab. So today we're going to try another throwback. I call it Black Bear. Now I was more prepared this time, so I'd already mixed up the resin. Now all you got to do is just add the colors. So we're going to add a couple scoops of this silver. Now that's going to be the black part of the Black Bear. And now we're going to add the light brown for its undercoat. Or at least that's what I think anyway. Now we're going to get it all nice and mixed in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. Sorry, cameraman just informed me that I was pouring the wrong way and you guys couldn't see nothing but my hairy arm. So, I apologize for that. Right. Now, it's all poured. Of course, I'm going to wait a minute or so. On a low flame. Probably not this low. That is Black Bear. Alright, well thanks for watching.